What if I told you that every thought you've ever had is shaping your reality right now? What if the life you're living isn't happening to you, but because of you? You hold an invisible power, a force that responds to your every thought and feeling. It's been called many names across history, but for centuries, it's been known as the law of attraction. The law of attraction is the most powerful law in the universe. It simply states, like attracts like. Whatever you think about, you bring about. Your mind is like a magnet. It attracts people, opportunities, and experiences that match your dominant thoughts and emotions. When you focus on what you want, love, success, happiness, you draw those things closer. But when you focus on fear, doubt, or lack, you pull more of that into your life as well. You are always attracting. The question is, are you attracting what you want? Your thoughts are the starting point of everything, but your feelings are what give them power. A thought charged with emotion becomes magnetic. When you feel joy, gratitude, and love, your energy rises, and you begin to attract experiences that match those feelings. Think of your thoughts as seeds. If you plant positive ones, you'll harvest abundance. If you plant negative ones, you'll grow struggle. The fastest way to shift your vibration is through gratitude. Start saying thank you for what you already have. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for this breath. The more you feel gratitude, the more you attract things to be grateful for. Manifestation follows 3 simple steps: ask, believe, receive. First, ask. Get clear on what you want. Be specific. Don't just say, "I want more money." Say, "I'm so grateful for the extra $10,000 that has flowed into my life." Second, believe. You must believe it's already yours. Doubt creates resistance. Faith creates flow. When you feel as if you already have what you desire, the universe mirrors that feeling back to you. And third, receive. Receiving means allowing. Let go of worry. Trust that what you've asked for is already on its way. Act as if it's done. Smile. Be grateful. Expect miracles. I've seen this law change lives in ways you wouldn't believe. There was a man named John who created a vision board with a picture of his dream house. 5 years later, when he moved into his new home, he realized it was the exact same house he had visualized. Another woman, Sarah, used gratitude to heal her body. Every morning she thanked her body for being strong and healthy, even before it was. Within months, her test results were normal. These aren't coincidences. They're the universe responding to focused thought and belief. The universe always matches your energy, whether you realize it or not. You don't need to be special. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to choose your thoughts deliberately. Start small. Pick one thing you want to manifest this week. Something simple. Picture it clearly. Feel the joy of already having it. Then, let it go. Watch how the universe rearranges itself to deliver exactly what you asked for. Because you are the creator of your life. Every thought you think is painting your future. The secret to creating your dream life isn't hidden. It's within you. You've always had the power to shape your reality. Start today. Think one positive thought. Feel one moment of gratitude and know that the universe is already responding. If you're ready to create the life you truly desire, subscribe now. Join this community of people who are consciously shaping their reality, just like you. And tell me, what's the first thing you're going to manifest? The moment you ask, the universe begins to move. because the power has always been yours.